NPO Passat is an engineering and machinery company focused on design, manufacture, and integration of processing equipment for flotation and halurgical beneficiation of potash ore. The main company products are vacuum crystallization equipment, belt vacuum filters, thickeners such as Dorr and Brandes lamella thickener, ejector flotation machines, deep impeller foam separation machines, reagent preparation equipment, optional equipment from stainless steel and non-ferrous alloys. For 12 years of activity, NPO Passat was focused on technologies for potash ores processing only. Design, manufacture, automation, commissioning of equipment customized to the specific conditions and its former output to process parameters. This is what our customers receive as a result. We carry out turnkey projects. NPO Passat has implemented dozens of projects in the potash industry. Retrofitting of thickening departments of the processing plants of the first, third, and fourth production units of Belarus JSC. Retrofitting of flotation departments of the processing plants of the first, second, and third production units of Belarus JSC. Retrofitting of filtration departments of processing plants of the first, second, third, and fourth production units of Belarus JSC. Turnkey construction of an adjustable vacuum crystallization installation at the fourth production unit of Belarus JSC. Complex supply of the equipment for the reagent preparation department for Eurochem Usolski Potash Plant, LLC. Complex supply and commissioning of the reagent preparation lines, ejector flotation machines, and belt vacuum filters to the Petrikovsky GOK of Belarus JSC. We know that the potash industry today requires not only high-quality mechanical engineering of technological equipment. It is important for the manufacturer of processing equipment to have its own potash ore beneficiation technologies. It should be able to be in charge of engineering content, can fully integrate the equipment into the existing technology, and perform extensive work on the selection of process parameters when starting up and output to the target indicators. NPO Passat has staff in all the necessary competencies: mechanical engineering, chemical processes and calculations, engineering development, automation of technological processes, software development, and commissioning. That is why our customers receive not only a chain of machines built into a certain technological scheme, but ultimately a ready-to-work production process.